Okay, so I switched since it's Thursday. I switched to audio. Or, I mean, not the audio, but I switched the SD card and the batteries and the audio recorder and the song meter. And I'm just listening through stuff. And this one is from what time? 1 a.m. So this is at 1. It's almost at 2 o'clock. This is very weird. I'm just gonna play this. It's like long, drawn out, like wailing. Like, this is weird. And I've seen other people get stuff like this in other states. I think there was some from Ohio where it's like these long, drawn out, like wails. And it's funny because there really, besides a couple wood knocks here and there hasn't been anything this entire night. And I'm not sure if there's any more, like in this hour. Let's just look at this real quick. You can see a lot of this is going to be traffic. And there was like nothing around it, like it was all quiet, so it's not it's not the train, it's not traffic, and there's nothing else there. So I don't really know what to make of this either, but I saw this and I wanted to get that out because I really wanted to take a peek, and I found out that what you can do is you can actually pick over here. Like if I picked this, it's just going to show that section, so I don't have to worry about the background noise. Because and this will help moving forward too, because really it should have, see, this is all cicadas, so I found out that I can just do this, and while there's some there, we can go even tighter, and then it like really cuts a lot of it out, and I can just keep doing this until, like, if you notice, we didn't hear him in the clip I played before. So this is going to be a huge help because they're really hard, like horrible right now, and it's making it hard to do some of the audio. But I just want to throw that out there. I'll see you guys in the next one, and thanks for everything.